Calibration of belt scales. Step 1. System calibration. We press the menu button. Enter password 1. Press enter. Then find to system calibration. Choose the second one. Then press enter. Then select 0. Then at this point we have to enter our weighing segment length. Measurement of weighing section length. For example, this belt now. The sensor is mounted on this roller. This is the weighing roller. Weigh the distance from the idler to the left and right adjacent idlers divided by 2. This belt scale is 50 centimeters divided by 2. So the length of this weighing section is 0.25, which is 0.25. Enter. Next arrow, belt circumference. Belt circumference. The circumference of my belt is 2.2 meters. Enter directly. 2.2 meters. Enter. Down arrow. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about this. This is the speed measurement specification. In a moment, step 2, we will talk about how to calibrate. Don't worry about it for now. Down arrow. Don't worry about this. Down arrow. Range of the sensor. A 100 kilograms one is used on this belt. Enter 100 directly. If you use 4100Es, that's 400. Enter 100 and press enter. Down arrow. Calibration weeks 3 weeks. Basically don't move. At this time, we can return to the main interface. System parameters are set. The second step, timing calibration speed specification. At this point we have to start the meter. When the instrument is in the start state, press the menu key. Enter password 1. Enter. Select the button header to 2. System calibration. Enter. Find the time speed calibration specification. Timing calibration speed specification. 6th, press enter. At this time, we need to measure the time for the belt to rotate once. In the case of a frequency converter, to adjust the frequency converter to 50 Hz. If not, then don't worry about it. Set the belt to the highest speed to calibrate the time for the belt to rotate once. Belt idling. Make a mark on the belt, then use a stopwatch to time it. Time how long it takes to rotate once. My belt rotates once in 6.6 seconds. Just enter 6.6 directly. 6.6, enter. Down arrow. Calibration weeks. The default is 3 weeks, so don't touch it. 20 Hz means, if there is a frequency converter, just turn it to 50 Hz. If there is no frequency converter, don't touch it. Down arrow. Timing calibration speed specification. This is the pulse value being calibrated. When this time becomes 0, the calibration is completed. When the time becomes 0, our speed specification has been generated. Then press enter to save it. Save it. Press the return key to return to the main interface. Now the speed has been measured. 0.33 meters per second. Done. The third step is to clear the skin. The belt must be idling. If you have a frequency converter, set to 50 Hz for idling. To clean the skin, we will press shortcut input at this time. Find 0 to clear the skin. Press confirm. If you use a frequency converter, just set it to 50 Hz. If you don't use a frequency converter, don't worry about it. Down arrow. At this time, it is 0 o'clock in the school belt. And 0 dead zone. When does the remaining number become 0? The calibration is completed. Now we have completed the calibration. Click to confirm. Click confirm again. Press return. We can take a look at whether the value is walked when idling. First, clear the accumulated and auxiliary accumulation 0. Press shortcut. Down arrow. Select 1 to clear the main accumulation. Confirm. Enter password 1 to clear. Down arrow. Select 2 to confirm. Enter password 1 to clear. Return to the main interface. The main accumulation and the secondary accumulation are both 0. Now look, the belt is always idling. Accumulation does not increase the value. This flow rate, that is, sometimes there will be occasional values. However, the cumulative value will not increase. I have filtered it out. It doesn't matter, which is normal. Sometimes it's like this. The cumulative value will have a slight positive value. It's normal. And negative fluctuations. There has been no fluctuation now. The cumulative value has not increased. Cleaning has been completed. The fourth step is the calibration of the range coefficients. This step is very important. If it is allowed on site, we are going to take the materials. We should follow the actual production to do it. For example, how many tons of material were actually produced, and how much is displayed on the instrument. To convert these to values, we use a formula to convert, to modify the coefficient. Because we don't have materials here, I use weights. Replace the material with a 5 kilograms weight. 5 kilograms weight, go 4 times. I'll do it for times. Then put the weight from one end of the feed port. Take away the weight at the discharge port. Walk for times. The second time. The third time. Fourth time. Let's check the weight. 9 kilograms. The weight is not accurate at this time. We need to modify the coefficients. Take the actual weight. The actual weight is 5 kilograms. It's 20 kilograms after walking for times. 20 divided by the weight on the instrument is 9 times the current range coefficient. Press shortcut. Down arrow to 6. Then confirm. Enter password 1 to confirm. You can see the current range factor 100,000. Multiply by 100,000. Current coefficient, which has been converted, is 222,222. Just lose 222,222. Press confirm to save it. Return. After returning to the main interface, we zero the main accumulation and the auxiliary accumulation. Or enter the password 1 to confirm. Down arrow, confirm. Enter password 1 to confirm. Return to the main interface. The main accumulation and auxiliary accumulation are cleared. Let's play the game. The first time. Second time. The third time. Fourth time. Let's look at the weight. Cumulative weight 20 kilograms. Calibration complete.